tender boat, which was an adventure all in itself. But we had priority, so it worked out pretty good. We got right on. We just had to wait for everybody else, so now we're just waiting in the lines. They're making everybody stop to take pictures here, so the lines are just. Let me look. If I get nothing, you push me around in it. I just want to see the beach. We can come back here and walk on this path if you want. I just want to see how it was. Oh, that water's clear. Or do you want to walk along the water?
All the way over there.
It is packed over here, so we're trying to head over there somewhere. See if I can get the drone off, get that done so we can maybe hit the water. The water is really clear and nice, so we'll see. There's the pirate ship. I think that's a bar or restaurant, isn't it? Is it a restaurant, or I know it's a bar for sure. We're just continuing our walk. The water is nice and refreshing, otherwise known as cold. But I still might take a jump in. There's a cabanas. We were just talking about that. I was looking to rent one, but they've been sold out pretty much since we had this cruise booked. You can rent some water sports thingies. Oh, what? I always forget the name. Paddleboards, right?
No, I was looking at whatever these.
Oh, those things, yeah.
Real things are.
That looks like it would be rough to work, wouldn't it?
The water.
And those are, I don't know, those like bigger cabana? Those must be something else. They're like 2-story. Oh, those are pretty nice looking. Alright, we're getting down to the beach. Less people, further you walk. Just really impressed with these cabanas. I don't know what they're called, but they got 2 stories. I have to look into that, but I can't imagine those things are cheap though. But a little dark clouds over there, so I don't know. I hope it's a little overcast, which is keeping it a little cool. Not too bad so far. But it's early. We're 10:30-ish. But you can see the water is just absolutely clear. All the way out to where they're paddleboarding. Alright, this is where this is where the lifeguard part ends, so there's not many people at all. I think we're gonna head right over there, maybe right there. Oh yeah, there's little hammocks there. I just noticed that. It's really nice with the trees there. Might have to, I don't know if they're, I don't know. They don't seem to be marked like in the water. Again, it's just beautiful here. they're setting up to do a wedding or something over here. Alright, we're gonna try just up here, get the drone off. Not too many people out here. Alright, we found our little semi-secluded spot. I'm gonna pull out the Mavic and give it a try. A little nerve-wracking around all the water, but yeah, what the hell, right? That's what I got it for. Got the Mavic out. Got a nice little case for it for traveling. It's like 10 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link there below. Just gonna try to set it up. See what we can do. Holy moly.
Huh. Take a picture of the sunshine.
I did. Oh, what's up, bird? Alright, my first flight of my drone, my Mavic drone, not at home, seemed to be a success, which means I did it and it landed and came back and it's not in salt water. It's very nerve-wracking to be out here with it, but it was fun. From what I've seen, I'll put in the videos and pictures of what I got. I think I got some good footage. It's so beautiful out here. The water is just incredible. So I have one more battery left, and I'm gonna decide whether I want to do it again. Probably will, just to get a little bit more. Maybe I'll go out just a little bit further. But we're still in a nice part of the beach, so there's nobody around. You see, all the people are over there. There's paddle boarders, or no, kayakers and paddle boarders over here. Just a few people here and there, but it's just stunning out here. And it's not really that hot. It's a little warm, but it's nothing unbearable. The nice breeze coming in off the water, so that's kind of keeping it a little cooler. I think I might just jump in that water too before we head back today. Alright, second flight of the Mavic is done. This time I did mostly stills, got a few videos, got a little bit further out. The furthest I've gone so far, so it was a little nervous, a little nerve-wracking, but it was okay. It all worked out good. The Mavic were fine. So I used up my 2 batteries, and I'm not sure what we're going to do now. We're going to try to get in the water maybe? Yep, see if we can get in the water maybe. Look, check it out. Refreshing. Yeah, that's woo. Oh my God, that's woo. Oh boy, what do you think? Woo, we're getting at this level here, so woo. Oh man, that's a beautiful. Alright, now we're we're gonna try to see if we can find some food, or I don't know, I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet. We're just heading back from we were way out there, but it's nice and secluded, kind of secluded. All the other people, they're all up here. Us smart ones, we found the spot where nobody's at. What else would you want to do? What else would you want to do? You around all these people? Find a nice quiet spot at the beach. Oh, this is a path, she said. Oh, this is rough sand to walk through. This is no. Alright, we found a better path. One on the asphalt. Now it's a little hot. Coming up behind the pirate ship. We're gonna see what's available to eat. If nothing we feel like, then we'll just head back to the ship. Let's see what the crew is eating. And there's the barbecue. We're just continuing our walk. It's the barbecue is super packed, so we're done for the beach and stuff. So we're just gonna head back to the ship. It was a beautiful day here. I like it a lot. Tender took a long time. I think we waited like 30 minutes before, just sitting there while they tried to pack everybody into it. But yeah, it got warm out there, but we had a good day so far. We got 2 flights off with the drone. We hit the water, laid on the beach for a while. We just figured we'd just come back to the ship and eat better selection of food. I think it's just like hot dogs, hamburgers, stuff like that. So we had a good day. The beach is still from here. It's real nice. And we're just gonna rinse off the rest of the sand from the beach and head up. I don't know if we'll hit the buffet or burgers or who knows what, just hungry. But it's a real nice day. It's the best stop we're gonna have. Nassau's okay, Freeport will be okay, but this is really the reason we chose this itinerary, was to come here. Alright, we're at lunch. Got another grilled Reuben, salad. These are back in the Havana area, right over there. You can get, they have, every day they have stuff like empanadas, pulled pork pies. That's a coconut, it's coconut something. and a Cuban sandwich, and just some stuff from the buffet.
Chicken tenders, potato salad, rice, fries.
Yep.
Cucumbers, tomatoes.
Just enjoying the view. The back of the ship, and trying to relax from being out in the sun most of the day.
Oh no, that's not passion fruit.
Oh yeah, passion fruit mousse. I don't know. Little blueberry cobbler, blueberry strawberry cobbler.
What do you want?
That?
This?
Yes.
You don't want that one?
You can get a couple. Red velvet cupcakes. Alright, this is our daily sample of desserts. Blueberry cobbler, I don't know what that thing is, something passion fruit something, red velvet cupcakes and jello. What do you got?
Chocolate chip cookies, chocolate cake, and pineapple upside down cake.
Pineapple. Yeah, looks
Right?
good.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is. Yep, oh that's good, we'll try. And having a hard time getting in the chair? We have left Half Moon Cay, and we're having mojitos back in the Havana bar. Yep, it looks good so far. It's been a long hot day. So have something to cool us off a little bit. Just gonna sit back here. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner yet. We might do sushi maybe. Sitting here at the very back. We took off about an hour ago, headed to Freeport. We'll be in Freeport tomorrow. Not real excited about that one, but I don't know. I think we'll just get off and explore the port again and see what they have there. Alright, we are wrapping today up. Had a really great day in Half Moon Cay. I've heard two different people say it. The captain said Half Moon Cay over the intercom, and who said it? Half Moon Cay? It was somebody else. So I've heard two different people. I'll just call it Half Moon Cay. Had a good day. Hit the beach. It was really hot. I think we both got a little sunburn. Some of us more than others, maybe. So kind of drains you. And we've been sitting at karaoke for the last couple hours, and it's funny. Some of those people are incredible. Karaoke tournament, I guess it was. But we actually we went there last night too, because it's just very entertaining. Some of those people are pretty incredible and funny. And
Incredible good and incredible bad.
Incredible good and incredible bad. That's for sure. But it's entertaining nonetheless. So I don't think I could ever get up there. I don't know. It might be fun, but I don't know. I've never ever done it, so that would definitely be a I don't know. But I just grabbed some hot chocolate.
It's good.
It's really good. Their stuff is pretty good. It's been a long day. So, but if you've been watching this, we do want to say we appreciate it so far. We could use some likes, use some subscribes to the channel, so we really appreciate it. Following us along our adventures this time. And we hit Freeport tomorrow, and that's going to be, I think we're just going to do a little bit of shopping. And then after that, we'll be heading back home on Friday.
And the countdown resets.
Yep, and the countdown will reset for October. I think we're at like 180 days-ish. And that'll be a fun one, so. Yep, it's a nice night out tonight. You probably can't see much, but the boat's rocking a little bit today too, for some reason, but the weather looks pretty calm out there, so I don't know. Alright, so we're just gonna relax for a while, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Thanks. Night.